So guys, it came to the time. Days went by quick. Of course, I was only here for 2 days, but I'm about to head out. It's about to be 11. Checkout time is at 11. This has been nice. It's just like, now I have to go back to the reality I have set for myself, and now I have to make so many changes. So yeah, I'm about to be going hard at work. I don't know how this life is about to be. Because I don't know what's coming. But I know I'm going to have to put so much work in. So it's about to be a journey. The only thing I'm about to be doing is posting to Svfam visuals. Other than that, I won't be on Twitter, Facebook, nothing like that. Not until a while anyways. I'm just going to try to build my channel up. So if I'm MIA on them, that's why. It's a distraction right now, and I really need to focus on my craft and what I can bring. I know I keep saying that, what I can bring to this world, but really that has been on my mind heavy. Like, I know my purpose. It's just living out my purpose, So, yeah, this soul searching is about to be an interesting couple of months. I'm about to be 24 this year. Next year I'm going to be 25. I just want to be okay by the age of 25, because that's a milestone. That's half of my 20s, and I'll have half of my 20s more. But yeah, we're also going to live in the moment. We're going to live right now. I'm looking out a window, and I'm just, whatever, just out of there. Life is just so wild. Like, it has taken a drastic change in the last couple days. Like, it's crazy, because one instant you're this way, the next instant you're that way. Even with death too, you just never know. But yeah, I love the way this light is hitting my skin. Like, dang, I look good. But yeah, I don't know what I'm about to go do. I think I'm about to go do something before I go home. Utilize this day. I meditated beforehand, so I'm feeling pretty nice right now. So yeah, we'll see what we get into. But we live in Airbnb, so that life. Bye, Airbnb. It's a little chilly, but I decided to come to this natural preserve, so we gonna see what this is like. I think this is a trail. Really? I don't even know. Y'all, I could easily get lost. I could easily get bit. What am I doing? Right, left. We're going right. Okay, we're going right again. Like I say, I ain't never been here before. But there's a lot of people here, so I don't know. I don't feel like there's nothing to be afraid of. And if I do see something that is crazy, you best believe I'm gonna take off running. No questions asked. But I like this place. I knew I heard water. I don't know why I feel like I hit the jackpot. Like, this is beautiful. I'm so glad I came here. Oh, these girls are healthy, bro. Super healthy. Bro, I'm just so amazed at nature. Like, what a great way to start off my year. I'm out here in nature, baby. On my real smart. Infinite waters diving once again. Uh-oh, some big old dogs over there. It was a big old Rottweiler too. Can't really see them from right here. They were in that little area. Get that! So after that workout, I decided to come Chick-fil-A. So I'm gonna eat this food, and then after I eat this food, I'm gonna head out and go home. I don't know what I'm gonna do when I get home, but I'll discover that later. But yeah. Whack BS. A bar in Texas, y'all. That's what Texas look like. Tired of living in Texas. Y'all, Slim is freak up in here. Where they playing my song. Honestly, I'm not really sure why I agreed to come out. It feels weird. It's my first Friday not working in the club. So it feels awkward not being there. I keep thinking about my ex. So that's another annoying thing. Like, I'm so tempted to text him, but it's like, text him for what? I don't like going out. It brings weird energy, weird vibes. Like, I'd rather have just stayed at home. I'm not having fun. I'm not having fun at all. Going out is for the birds, honestly. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Got a dollar. I got a dollar. I got a dollar. Hey, 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 hey. Today's my lucky day. I found $1, Brody. $1. I found $1. Oh, dollar. Bet. So if you like the vibe, then subscribe. If you like this video, don't forget to bump that thumbs up. I love y'all. Be blessed. See you next video. Bye. Much love.